Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this amazing low elegant bun. Perfect if you're a wedding guest or even attending a party. So if you'd like to learn how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so once you've curled your hair, you just section the two front pieces. I normally just grab a little section clip and just hook them out the way because you're going to be dealing with the back first. Okay, so we're going to split this back hair into two different sections. So there's the top half. I normally go sort of just above the ear, and I want this to be clipped out the way as I want a lot of body on the top. Do is split it into two. You want to split it into two sections, like so. And something so simple is you're going to put them into two ponytails. Okay, so taking one ponytail, you're going to want to split it into two separate sections and literally twist it around each other, like so. And then taking my Kenra dry texture spray, just want to coat the hair and literally start pulling this up. And then you just want to sort of wrap it around that ponytail and to pin into place. Hasn't got to be neat, just so it sort of sits there and is secure, so you're hooking them in. Just need a couple more. And then to start with. Okay. And then you want to do exactly the same on the opposite side. Okay, so now taking this top section, you're going to again split it into two and just take a small section at a time. Using a comb, ignore my broken comb, I need to get some new ones. Just going to gently back comb that root area as so. You want to back comb it to as much volume as you would like your hair, and if you hadn't guessed already, I love big hair, so of course I'm gonna go big. So you're gonna continue down the opposite side. Again, you don't have to go as big as me, you could do a gentle back comb. Well, or even not back comb at all, this is entirely up to you. So continuing to the opposite side. Okay. Just smoothing over knotted areas. Okay, I'll probably say pretty happy with the amount of volume I've got there. Okay, so once you've back combed this, I just push it all into the middle. You just want to hook it just above that low bun you've created already, to lock it in place. Okay, so that feels secure. With the remainder of the hair, you just want to twist it again, pull out, and just hook around the bun. similar to this. Loads of body at the top here and a nice elegant low bun. So now all that's left to do is the front. So I'm going to spin around. Leave probably about that much hair. Yeah, that should be perfect. So again, I want to take another section and we're just going to gently back comb just slightly. Again, just there. So this is entirely up to you. So some people obviously don't like their ears, which I understand. We don't all like everything about ourselves. I have a love-hate relationship with them. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. So if you don't like your ears, you can simply pull this down there and just gently cover the tops of your ears like so. So I think, do I want to go? Oh, decisions now. Okay, I'm going to gently cover, I think. So I'm literally just going to hook one pin in there and just pull that down. Okay, and then you want to do exactly the same on the opposite side. So you've got these bits left here. I'm probably going to try and hook them in just there, just above where we pinch the top in. So you just want to pick the hair up and move around that top section, like so, and secure with the pins. Okay, so taking my Kenra volume spray, I'm just going to spray this all over to keep this style in place. And you should have something similar to this. So I've created a really nice, stunning, low, elegant bun with tons of volume and tons of texture. Perfect for that party or wedding event that you're attending today. Okay guys, that's how I created this gorgeous low textured bun. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you have fun recreating this look. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time I shall see you soon. Thanks guys!